Let us now see how we can actually download the presentation which we have created in Canva. Again, moving on to this presentation option, and suppose we want to use this kind of presentation. We select this presentation, and from these 13 pages, we require only, say, suppose first page. Clicking on to the plus button, and we require, say, suppose second page as this. And the last what we want is that's a wrap up. Sorry. If you don't click this plus button and choose the another slide, then the previously selected slide will go away. So what you need to do is that first you have to click this, then you have to click the plus button, and you have to choose the third option. Now look at these first option. Let's write here, instead of brainstorm, let's write here features of Canva. Yeah, advantages of Canva. So what are the advantages? First advantage is that, as we know, that it is user friendly. User friendly. Second advantage is that it is free available. Next advantage is that it makes presentations timely. Timely delivery. Next advantage is that it gives you a large number of templates. Rest all you can think of. If you don't want them right now, you can simply select them and delete it. With rest of the options, you can bundle them and arrange as per your own choice. Suppose you have this first page like this. Now, moving on to second page, today's agenda. Introduction to the session. Then next is team check-in and icebreaker. Instead of that, you want to write, say, suppose starting with Canva. Next agenda is hands-on session with Canva. And the last thing which you need to do is vote of thanks. Just select all of them together. Increase their size. Sorry, I haven't selected this. Increase their size. Change their font. Allow it to look beautiful by using few colors, vibrant colors. Even you can change these backgrounds. If you can see that this is right now black in color, you can change it to, say, suppose yellow in color. By clicking on this and editing with this yellow color, making it yellow, something like this, or you can use some other options also. Now, you can change this MDM company to your college name or online add-on course. First, you need to delete the previous text. Then you can put in today's date, that is March 3rd, 2022. Rest all you can delete. March 3rd, 2022. Then moving on to, that's a wrap up. Thank you for, say, suppose participating. So these are your 3 slides. Once you are done with your slides, what you need to do is you need to download it. Can you see this arrow button here, which is for downloading? Even you can see these 3 dots here. If you click on these 3 dots, then the second point which you will get here is again the download option. So what you need to do is you will click on this download option. Then it will ask you the file type. Suggested is always the PDF standard, but since we don't want it in PDF and we want to use it in our PowerPoint slides, so what we will do is that we will select either PNG format or JPG format. Let's quickly choose the JPG format and click on this download button. Once you click on the download button, it will download in a while, and you will see here that you have got the zip file here. Click on this, and in the downloads you get these 3 images, which are your JPG files. Quickly select them, copy them, and put it somewhere where you can use it readily available. It is readily available to you. Say suppose in the desktop you're putting it in a folder called Canva material, and you place. Now what you need to do is you have to go to PowerPoint. You will write PowerPoint and you will open a PowerPoint blank presentation. Since you don't need these things right now, so you will delete it and you will again delete this. You know that you have total 3 presentations, so 3 slides, so you will add 3 pages to this slide. First slide you will select and you will move on to insert. From add pictures, you will use those 3 pictures, move to the desktop, and you have used here inside the Canva material you have used here slide 1, which you will insert here. Then again insert में pictures में this device से you will use slide 2, and here again insert में likewise you will do it for slide 3. So here once you now do slideshow, you can do it from the slideshow. This is your second slide and this is your third slide. So this is how you can start with your PowerPoint presentation. You can start with Canva and put these presentations or slides on your PowerPoint presentations. Likewise, you have other options. What is the other option? That instead of uh, giving this as a JPG file, you can have it in the form of where you record your presentation along with your voice and your photograph, as we have seen in the very first presentation. That we will do in the next presentation. So with this, we have completed how we can use the presentations.